Today's recipe, Sri Lankan Mango Curry. Courtesy of Hungry Lankan, check the description below. We are using raw mangoes. Welcome to Gloria's Platter. Cutting the mangoes. You may cut the mangoes in half, cut the seeds and the seed shell as well. Discard the seed which is inside the seed shell. Cut each half into 2 to 4 pieces depending on the size of the mangoes. Here I'm doing it slightly different. Leave the skin on. Adding salt, turmeric, black pepper, mix well, chopped onion, chopped garlic. Here I have curry leaves, pandan leaf, Sri Lankan roasted curry powder, chili powder, cloves and cardamoms, sugar, and Ceylon cinnamon. Heat oil. Add cloves and cardamoms, pandan leaves, curry leaves, garlic, onions. Saute until the onions turn brown. Add the chili powder, roasted curry powder, salt. Combine everything. Add the water. Add the marinated mango pieces. Bring it to a boil. Lower the heat and cover and cook. After 10 minutes, you could see it still has a lot of liquid. Let's cook until the mango is pork tender. Now there is no liquid. It smells so good. Let's add the sugar. And now it's ready. Time to serve. What will you eat this with? You can eat it with rice, noodles, write it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please watch another video. Bye for now.